Hi there and welcome. Adita Lang from aditalang.com with Mila, and we are going to be working out today, and this video is dedicated to all my fabulous mom friends from Miami Moms blog. And guess what we're going to do today? We're going to focus on upper body, the vanity parts, you know, the ones that kind of look good in a t-shirt. That's what we're going to look for today. So you ready? We're going to do a small little warm up just to get the blood flowing, and then we're going to get into it. Now guess what? If you don't have weights, no problem, because what you're going to be using is cans. Okay, so we have chosen garbanzos as our bean of choice. Make sure that both cans are exactly the same, because if not, the weight will be slightly off. We don't want to do that. So 2 cans is what you want. Beans are typically heavier than other things like coconut milk or something like that, but pick some cans or grab some dumbbells and join us for this workout today, okay? So we're gonna put those down to start off with, and we're gonna get ready. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our feet out and we're just gonna lean from side to side. We're gonna lean, yes, we're gonna lean, and we're gonna push our arms out. We're gonna push our arms out. There we go, straight out. Abs are in nice and tight. Now, these videos are about 20 minutes long, and so here's the deal. You can either do this video twice, or you can choose one of my other videos from my YouTube channel, which you will see below, and mix that up with some cardiovascular activity. So the cardio means you could go running, you could jump rope, you could run stairs, get that heart rate going. So if you combine 2 of these videos with some cardio, you've got yourself a great workout, my friends. Ready? Now bring it to center. And we're gonna take our feet out and we're gonna do just a basic plie. Abs are nice and tight, shoulders are pulled back. There you go. Yes. Press it straight down and up. One more time and hold it down. Now I want you to take both arms straight out, and just the shoulder blades, you're gonna squeeze them together and let them go. Squeeze them together, let them go. There you go. Now, when we do exercises, posture, form, and technique, super, super important. So your abdominals are held in really tight. Even though we're squeezing our shoulders back, your shoulders are held down and your chest is uplifted. Got it? Okay. One more. And now hold it here. Take those arms up, and we're going to squeeze your shoulders down, and your shoulders are going to go up to your ears. Down and up to your ears, and down and up to your ears. That's it. Shoulders down, shoulders up. Shoulders down, shoulders up. 4 more. And 3. Now 2. One more time. And 1. Drop that down, shake those legs out. Let's move. Okay, we're gonna grab those weights, or the cans, what can I say? Okay, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put them down here. We're gonna curl up and kick one leg, and curl up and kick the other leg. Curl one leg, and curl the other. Now, here's what we gotta do. I want you to slow down. I want you to pretend like they're really heavy. Yeah, I'm talking to you there, small fry. Let's go, squeezing up, squeezing up. The tighter you squeeze that muscle as you're bending the elbow, the more you're gonna engage the muscle fibers, and guess what? You're gonna get more results quicker that way. One more time. Now we're gonna hold our feet down and just curl the weights up and down. Squeeze up and down. Shoulders are back, abs are in tight. You've got 4 and 3. Now 2, one more, and hold it here. Okay, turn them up and down. Separate your feet so they're about hip width apart. Now, you're gonna sit in an imaginary chair and push that out, and then bring it right back up. Imaginary chair, bring it up. So, as you're sitting, it's called a squat. Your weight is in your heels, but yet your toes are digging down into the floor, and your knees should be right above your ankle, not your toes. Gotta keep those knees safe. Sitting back, there we go. Again, abdominals are in tight. Press it out and pull it back. Press it out and pull it back. Good. 4 more. And 3. Now 2. One more time. And 1. Bring it right here. So they're in front. I'm going to come in front of you so I don't knock you with my cans. We're going to go out to the side and back down again. You're good. Right there. Up and take it down. Good. Abdominals in tight and down. So you're flying again, going slow, holding your shoulders down even though you're pushing your arms up. Press it up and back down. Take it up and back down. 4 more. And 3. Now 2, one more time. And 1. Good job. Bring it right here into the center. Turn them forward. Lift up really straight. And we're gonna go opposite arms. And the other arm. There we go. Take your time. Remember, the slower you go, the more muscle fibers you engage, and the more results you see quicker. Promise you that. Pull it up and down. That's it. Keeping those abdominals really, really tight. That's it. 4 more. And 3. Now 2. And 1. One more time. One more arm. Ah! Bring that down. Okay, roll your shoulders up and back. Bring them up, press them back. Good. Straight up, straight back. There we go. 1 more. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the cans on the floor and you guys are gonna join me on the ground. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna do some more upper body from the floor. Are you ready? We're gonna start off with some push-ups from your knees. You are going to take your hands really wide, so back up a little bit more. You're on your knees, your abs are nice and tight, and we're gonna bend down and press it up. Your tush goes down with you. All your weight should feel like it's in your hands. Abdominals are in really tight. I think push-ups are one of my favorite exercises. They give you a lot of benefits really quickly. Separate your hands a little bit more, Mila. And back your knees up more. Now push your tush down. Oh my gosh, they're harder, I know. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Press that back. All the way back here. There we go. Ah, feels good, doesn't it? Okay, so sit up on your toes. From the back here, take your hands back behind you and let's push them back. So you're gonna press them all the way back. Abdominals are in nice and tight. There we go, hold it there. And let that go. Okay, we're gonna take our cans. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lay back on our mats with your head on the very top edge of the mat. And we're gonna do a chest press with our cans, or your weights if you got weights, right? So your knees are bent. Your hands are out 90 degrees, so turn your hands the other way. There we go. And you're gonna push them up to the very top of your chest and bring them back out. And bring them up and press them down. You got your cans? There we go. Press down. Now bend your knees a little bit more. Bring your feet together. Yep. And bring it down and up. So your shoulders stay pinned against the floor the entire time. And as you press the can up, you want to feel like your chest is rising. Once again, abdominals are in really tight. Press it up and push down. Press up and back down. There you go. You've got 4, 3, 2, one more time, and 1. Now, turn the cans so they're facing backwards. Now, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna bring them down by your ears, and then you're gonna push them back up. Got it? So point your elbows up, go up to the sky. Now, bring them by your ears and press them up. That's working your tricep, the back of the arms. Press up and bring it down. Take it up and back down. That's it. Full inhale, full exhale. Pressing it up and take it down. There we go. Straight up. Bend them 90 degrees and then bring them up. Bend them 90 degrees and back up. You got it. Good. 3, 2, one more, and 1. Bring those down to the sides. Drop them down. We're going to sit up from here. So here's what I want you to think about. Just take that right arm. Let's bring it across the chest. Sit up super straight and pull it in. There we go. Now, if you're wondering if she's too young to lift weights, not at all. Everything that has to revolve around weight training is about form and technique. So we're going to keep it to light weights until we really maximize that form. And once she's got the form down, then we'll start increasing weights, and that's A-okay. Switch arms. Bring the other arm over. There we go. That's it. Abs are in nice and tight. Good, and bring that back down. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take our cans again. We're going to come back down to the mat. Press it down right here. Okay, so we're going to take those cans. We're going to hold them up here high on our chest. Abs are in real tight. We're going to do crunches. You ready? Okay, crunches. Crunch up and bring it down. So you try to keep your chin in towards the cans and you focus on the rib cage. So you want to squeeze the ribs in really tight and then bring it down. Press up and back down. Full inhale, full exhale. There we go. Squeezing it tight. You got 4 and 3. Now 2, one more time, and 1. Awesome. Okay. Tiring? I know. That's okay. Put those cans back down. Put them down. Hug your knees into the chest. We can do this. There we go. Full. Press it all the way in. There you go. Okay, and let's extend both legs up and press them down from there too. There you go. Take your toes, pull them down towards you. So you feel a stretch behind your legs. There we go. And then let that go. So let's come back up again, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get on hands and knees towards the back of our mats, okay? You're gonna have one can, just one, not that far forward. Let's back up even more. There you go. Okay, so I want you to look towards the floor. You've separated your knees, you're looking at the ground, and you're gonna pick that can up and then bring it back down. Pick it up and down. So you're looking at the floor so your neck doesn't get involved. So I want you to keep staring at the floor with your chin, Mila. There you go. Don't try to lift so high. That's it. Press it up and back down. Arm is straight. Press up and back down. And if it feels heavy, just let go of the can and do it without the can. There we go. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We got to do the other side now. Take that can out. Abs in, looking down, and press it up and back down. Take it up and back down. Abdominals are in really tight. There you go. Press it up, good. Looking down at the floor. Doesn't have to go that high, just as high as your shoulder. And your shoulder isn't that high. Arm is straight. Straight arm, right? No, straight arm. There we go. Up in front, up in front, up in front, not the side. There we go. One more time. Yes. She's got it. And bring that down. Good. Sit back, 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 back. And take those arms behind you and pull them back. There we go. Pull those shoulders back. Yes. And give yourself a big hug and pull it forward like this. And then you're going to do the other side. Same thing. Press it in. Hold it here. There we go. Okay, so we're going to sit with both cans. Okay? Let me go right here. Don't throw cans around. There we go. We're going to go up, and we're going to come down. Abdominals are in real tight. You come out to 90 degrees, and then you push it up above the head. There we go. Press it up, back down. Take it up, take it down. Good. 4 more. And 3. Keep pulling in the abdominals. 2. One more time. And 1. Bring that down. Good job. Okay, ready? We're going to come back up to standing. Take the cans with you. Okay, so now we're back to standing. We're going to finish this off really, really well. We're going to start with the cans right in front. Abs are in tight. Pull yourself up nice and tall, and you're going to pull your elbows out, then bring it down, and then kick them out to the side like that. Hands are down. Great. And again, pull it up, and then press it out to the side. There you go. And bring it up and out to the side. Good. Abdominals real tight. Take it up. Take it out to the side and up and out to the side. We got 4 more. This is 1. Press it out nice and slow. Abdominals tight. 2. Take it out. Bring it up. That's 3. Out. You're ahead of me. Take it up. 4. And bring it out. Okay, here's what we're going to do. We're going to drop 1 can, okay? Take 1 can to the floor. I want you to step 1 foot in front and place your weight on this knee. Then the can is going to drop down by your side. So you're leaning into your leg forward, and you're going to pull the can up by your side and bring it down. Abdominals are in really, really tight, and you're going to press up and down. You know what, Mila? Why don't you switch legs? It'll be easier for you. Same leg, same arm leans. There you go. And then pull that can up. Good. Abdominals tight. We're pressing up and back down. It's like a back row, but we're doing it with our can. Of course, you can be doing this with your dumbbell if you wanted to. We're going to do 1 more. There you go. Let's do it again. And let's do the other side. Same thing. So we switch legs. Hand on knee. Lean into it. Right here, can's down at the bottom, and we're going to pull up. Abdominals in nice and tight. Both shoulders are facing the floor. Take your time. Inhale one way, exhale the other. That's it. Abdominals are in. There you go. You got 4 more. That's it. And 3. Now 2. One more time. And 1. Good. Okay, so let's just drop those cans down. I want you to just take your top arm, bring that arm up and behind your back, and I want you to try to reach forward on the other side. No? Okay. Pull it over. You were doing right. Bring it up that way. Can you reach under? Either way, that works, right? Okay. Hold it like that. Now we're gonna do the other elbow. So the arm goes back, grab it and pull it back, yes. And bring it down again. Take both arms behind you, pull them back and lift your chest way up into the sky, press that back. There we go. Okay, take those arms up now, bring them together and pull them back as far as you can, kind of like you're bending back, oh. And we got another one. Okay, so hands are right in front. I want you to bring them under and round your back forward. Abdominals are in super, super tight. And now stack your spine so you get up to really sitting up straight, pull your shoulders back, and again, press it forward, round it, take it back, there you go, and again, round it forward, abdominals are super, super tight, and bring that back. Can I have a high five? Awesome job. We will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.